Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the iCloud on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to click on the Windows button. And after clicking on the Windows button, we have to click on this Microsoft Store option. So let's click on this. And after clicking on the Microsoft Store, simply we have to click on this search bar. And then we have to search whatever we want. For example, I want iCloud. So we have to write that. For example, I'm going to write the iCloud here. And then simply we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, you will get the suggestions here, and then you have to choose the app, that which app you want to download. For example, I want to download this one, so let's click on this. And after clicking on this, we just have to click on the get or install button, and then we will be able to use this. So as you can see now, the gate button is here. So simply we just have to click on this, and it will be installed in our PC, and then we will be able to use this. So in this way you can download the iCloud on your PC. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.